Number 7. No, I'm not wearing number 7.
Then you go like up and down, yeah? Up and down.
Good job, well done, well done.
On a YouTube, eh?
Good, Dave, then pick up the speed a little bit now, Dave. Pick it up a little bit. Straight through, good. On your next one.
Yeah, so both legs should be 90-degree angle. So you try, so if you start like this, yeah, so you notice this, 90 degrees, and I try to keep 90 here as well. And all you do, try to maintain that as you go. Yeah, the way you should feel is in your hips. You feel that, yeah? And you go like 10 times, yeah? That's quite nice.
The sticks as well, go for it. Talk to each other out there as well, fellas. Plenty of communication.
Come on boys, liven up, 10 minutes to kick.
Guess what happens to that?
Smart for the camera. Enjoy the game, yeah?
Get it again, Abel, get it again. Move, move. Open it up, good, better, well done. Good, Tyler, move. Good. Good. Good, get out, well done, Durrell, well done, Durrell. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Quicker, quicker. Good. Good, yeah. Well done, Tiles, opened it right up. Good lad. Run! Got Dave, got Dave. Good, much better.
Better, yeah? Nice one, Pat. Remember I told you the leggings tight, better, yeah?
Good, well done. Good boy. Well done. Just got 3 of those. You've got 1 minute to the ball. Do you want to do any headers, any long passes? Yes, if you want to. Right, you ready?
Good. All the best, guys. should feel slightly better, you know? Yeah, there's a bit of compression there.
Thank you.
They can spray a little bit of put some heat on it. There you go. What's that? Is it cramp? Which one? Calf? We'll just switch it up a little bit, yeah? No, you gotta stretch it this way, yeah. Just give me a sec, yeah? I'll put him out, I'll put him this way. Hey, do for like 2 more minutes?
I'll try.
2 more minutes, yeah? Can. We'll step out there for a little bit, come.
No.
Yeah. Does it come off? Yeah, it's come off for a bit. Mate, come off for a bit, yeah. 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Mate, you get that kind of stretch, put it this way. This way, yeah?
You can feel it tensing up.
Yeah, yeah. I got it, mate. Talk to me, mate. Open, just cramp. Calves. I got it there. Thanks for help. Both, yeah? Chill out a little bit. Let me try, okay? I'll give you some spray as well. It's right here, yeah? What's this one? This one here, yeah? Slowly. Let me spray for you something, okay?
Dave, come on, man. We've got 27 left. Come on.
You man drinking or not?
A bit more, yeah?
You man need to drink more water, man.
You as well?
Yeah.
Watch your face, yeah?
Isaac, I want stuff.
Let's come up a bit. Yeah. We give it a go, yeah? Yeah. I think you have to come out for a bit though. You have to come out for a bit. Till the ref calls you back in. I think when the ball plays, you can go there. Like that, yeah. Just put it. So later, you might feel the cramp again. Just put your weight through, okay? You can go in there. Yeah, go ahead.